you probably don't see me because I'm in the shadows. So when you make films, always think about light and shadows to be able to tell your stories. Look at this location here. So here's that dramatic reveal when I walk into the light. And if I step a little bit closer into this, the light's slowly going away, and then I am now back in the shadows, right? So it can be very effective in telling stories and whatnot. So if I had some secret to tell, the secret is robots. And then I reveal who's talking. Really effective in a lot of aspects. Really powerful filmmaking. And you know, when I walk back here into the shadows, you know, it's pretty interesting, right? So if some type of whatever reveal coming on, and the secret is the rise of the robots, the greatest film ever made by mankind. And you're thinking, yes, it is. And now we have that amazing reveal. And if I step up here a little bit, you know, pretty powerful. So when you do photography, when you do filmmaking, I always look for locations, I always look for lighting to help tell the stories that I want to share with the world. As always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this type of amazing content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that will totally compute. Compute that.